Hello, my friends. Hope you are in fine spirit. Today we will see how to take care of the indoor water plants. First, always a glass container is preferred with pebbles in it due to give the natural fillings of stones to the plants. In this glass flower pot, this money plant has been growing for a month. Now it has taken its roots and some extra height. Before managing its extra height, we will first reshape one of its leaves that seems to be coming into a spoiled stage. We will cut the yellowish part of this leaf on both sides, and you see it looks so nice because it has taken the shape of a new leaf. Now we will cut this plant into two parts from the middle according to the length of the flower pot. Now we will have the two pieces of this plant. One is with the roots and second one is without roots. I will put this plant into the jar. It will grow its roots gradually. Before putting the second one into the pot, we will clean the roots of this plant and the plant itself. Cleanliness is must. For this purpose, a cotton or a soft clean cloth can be used. Otherwise, the white or the black water worms and the unnecessary fungus can grow in the flower pot. It can give foul smell that will not only spoil our plant but also the fresh air around us. With the soft hands and gloves in your hands, the plant can easily be cleaned. Now we will put this one also into the jar with the water. Now we will shift this flower pot in the sunlight near windows so that they can make their food, develop their roots and live happily. After every 2 or 3 weeks, don't forget to change the water, clean the pot and the plant. So goodbye. Take care of your good health. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much.